write the heading, insert in a word art, insert in a word art. Under that, please write
So now I joined the class. What were we doing?
So we just want to complete the last day work, right? Select, insert in a word art, then select word art from the insert ribbon. Select word art from insert ribbon. Then select a style, edit your text here and place your content there. Place your content there. That is the method one. So you can just go, I'm demonstrating here. You can go to the insert, then go to the word art. From that, you can select any style that you like. And after that, you'll get your text here. So that you have to edit, and you can write maybe grade. You can write whatever you want. Grade 8 ICT. Grade 8 ICT. So something like this. Right? Your text here, you can edit and keep like this. That is method one. Method two is type as text and select it. Type a text and select it. Go to insert ribbon and select word art. And select word art. Go to insert menu and select word art. That is the second way. After inserting, you can modify it by changing fonts, size, shadow, 3D look, and reflection, etc. You can change it as you wish. Color, reflection, etc. Okay, this is how we insert a word art. The subheading is insert in word art. So with that, the particular chapter is done. So we have completed, but we have a task to do, that is our workbook. Now please turn on the workbook and you can start writing using a pencil, right? Don't write using a pen because you can write it in pencil. And my recommendation is, even without using the pencil, please write down in a separate. So that is the recommendation, right? Okay, let's open the workbook now. Let's open the workbook now. This is grade 8, grade 8 English medium 1. The workbook. Right there. Please go to page number 13. Page 14, page number 14. And you can see in page number 14, you can see the word processing application interface, that is MS Word interface. And what you have to do is you have to name the menus and the areas of this. Okay, so if I ask, so where's the title bar of this? Title bar, where's that? Yeah, Microsoft Word document, this document one, Microsoft Word. This is the title bar of this. This is the title bar, and you can just put an arrow and mark it. This is your title bar. And so if I ask, where's quick access toolbar? Quick access toolbar? Yes? I can hear some noises, Nadun. If you're not answering, please mute the microphone, right? Where's quick access toolbar? Right, quick access toolbar is here, right? You can write it here. This is the quick access toolbar. So please mark it, right? Quick access toolbar. So this is title bar and this is quick access toolbar. This is called Office button. This is old version, right? This is old version. That's why you can see these things. New version, there's a basic difference. This is Office button. Okay, please mark it in your book using a pencil. And you can also see ruler. So this is ruler. Both ways you can see the ruler. That means here, this one is also ruler. This is also ruler. And so this is scroll bar. Scroll bar. This is scroll bar. Right, these are called ribbons. There are different ribbons. Ribbons. And what are the ribbons? So these are called ribbons. Home ribbon, insert ribbon, page ribbon, page layout ribbon. So those are some ribbons available. Okay, finish.
No, sir.
Okay, quickly mark that.
Yes, sir.
Next is, right? Next is when you move down, you can see some more keys, that is more areas. So basically this is called status bar. Status bar. It shows the number of letters and number of words or the lines, pages and the number of words. Status bar. And after the status bar, so if you move here to the other corner of the window, you will see zoom panel. That is to enlarge the screen. And here you have some views or the layouts. So here in this section, you have layout. So basically you can see print layout, web layout, draft layout, outline layout. So those are some layouts available here in this section. Layouts means different views. If you go and change this to, okay, let's say web layout, you can see like this. The document will be. And this is the point format or outline. So this is the draft format. And this is the web format. And finally, this is the print format. That is the last view, print format. Likewise, you have different views there. So, okay, please mark those also. Okay, with that, we can move to the next page. And next page, they're asking activity 3.1. In activity 3.1, they're asking examine the below carefully and list down the formatting tools used to create this. Okay, the first one. So what are the formatting tools used here? The first one, can anyone tell what are the formatting tools used in the first one? Yes.
Font color.
Color, correct. Font color, what else? Is that the only thing? Here you
Bold,
can see.
italic, highlight.
No, number one. I'm asking about
Bold.
number one. Number one is font color, and also it has used
Font
list,
size.
change case,
Sir, are you drawing now? What are you doing?
change case, and bold.
Sir, I join now. What we're doing?
Right? I was just answering the document. So in this workbook, right? In the workbook page number 14, I guess 14 or 15. Now we are in 15. So we started with 14 and now we are in 15. Okay, then, so number 2. So what are the formatting used here? Number 2.
Word art.
It's word art, underline, right? Word art.
Font name.
Yes, font name, underline. Or font type, underline. And number 3, here,
Bold.
Ball.
it's bold. Bold. Number 4,
Highlight.
Change case. Color and bold.
Font
Color and
color and bold.
font color and bold. Number 5,
Highlight.
Shading.
highlight, or you can say background color. And number 6,
Change font.
number 6 is italic, right? Here, Elapuruni, italic. Okay, this
For
is
the first one, can we take shading?
for the first one.
No, sir, fifth one.
Mm.
Can we take shading?
Shading basically is for the page, no? Borders and shading comes to the page, entire page, no?
Okay.
That's why background color, okay. Right, now what you have to do, actually they have given this text. They have given this text and asked to convert to this format. Right? They have given the text and asking to convert to that format. Okay, I'm going to use, okay, I'll keep the text here. How many are here? 13, 12. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to give you a folder. Grade 8. And you can create your Word document here in this grade 8 folder. You can move inside this folder, right click, and you can select Google Docs, and then you can select from that blank document, right? So see how I'm doing, right click, Google Docs, blank document. Then you have to give that document your name, It comes as untitled document. Please give your name. Let's say, okay, I'm going to give my name, Dasun. And inside that, I'm going to copy and paste this text, what they have given. Same thing, I'm going to copy and paste it here, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to format as they say. I'll give you this, I'll give this as activity, right? Let me share the folder with you. Let me share the folder with you. Okay. Right, now you have the capability to do that. I have sent the link. You can start creating your own document and edit this. And I'll give you like 5 minutes. Let's see who's going to do that first. You can right click and create a Google Doc. Let's see who's going to do that and finish. So don't worry, this is like just activity. Because if you are bored, like then okay. Anyone created? No one yet.
It's to open the Google Docs, right?
Yeah, Google Docs.
I opened it, sir.
Okay, good. And please rename under your name, right? Okay, I can see Tihan's one. Others. I can see Tihan has started work. So what about the others? Okay, Nadun has started. Good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I don't have something like when I right click, nothing.
Nothing.
I mean, there is no
Options.
Google Docs. Google Docs.
So what is the browser that you're using? Are you using your
Google.
mobile phone?
No, sir.
Then it should
Sir,
come.
but I can make a Microsoft Word document and then upload it.
Yeah, sure. You can do like that. That is also okay. So if you cannot see the Google Docs, what you can do? So create MS Word document, open Word, right? Open Word document, and you can do the editing.
Sir, my folder is different than the others now.
Minol's one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you have created the folder. No? Others have created Google Docs. You have created a folder. That's the difference. I asked you to create a Google Doc.
Sir, they are saying I need to download the app.
All right. Then what you can do is do this in your computer or mobile phone and upload to the Google Drive. Okay. Okay. So while you are doing, I'm also going to do this quickly. Then we'll be faster. Right. Let me paste this here. This is the text. Oh, sorry. This is not the text. So let me go to the book and this is the text. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to use it in my MS Word. Others can do it this in Word, right? Word wala karata kamanne anek aya. Then I'm going to remove this formatting, keep the text only. And an apple, I'm going to assign that a word art. Insert word art, the black one, and let's underline this. Go to home, underline. You can change the font, but I don't have proper font to change here. Let's use this one. That is not a proper one, but I'm just using, right? Academy interview. That is not a proper one. In Windows, you have that font, right? In Mac, cannot find it. This one. It's not nice, but anyway, I'm just using that. Okay. So then an apple can taste. So what is the text? An apple is bold. I'm going to select, and shortcut to bold is Control B. Control B to bold. Very nice. Nice is in orange. Slice is in orange. And red is in it's in also in orange, the dark orange color. And let's bold it. Green is in green color. And I'm going to change the case to capitalize each word and bold. Apple a day and away. Day is in blue color. Then away is in blue color. And keep the doctor, keep the doctor. So I need to highlight that to fill color. Test is Italy. Okay, I'm done. How many of you have finished? And my grandma.
Teacher, sir, I'm in the last part.
Right, this is what they expect us to do. Okay, so I'll check whether you have done in your Google Docs. Yeah, Tihan seems you have done that. Nadun still not. Gayatri still, I think you're not. Yeah, still you have not started Gayatri. Do this quickly, right? And someone has taken my copy of my one. Minul cannot see something inside.
Sir, I
And
finished.
Tihan, yes. Right, trade, more test.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Yeah,
Sir, I uploaded it as a Word document, sir.
Shamin, you can see. Still loading, okay. Apple, okay. Think about the proper colors, right? Same colors, better if you can. Green should be bold. You have skipped that. Green should be bold. My grandma is font size is little bit high.
Sir, I have put that, I guess it has time.
Right, okay. So now I think almost everyone did that and others. Don't worry, but do this, right? Please do this because that is required. I have shared the folder. If you can upload that to the shared folder after doing. And so see how I have added the colors. This green color is not a highlight color, right? This green color is a background color. Why? Because if you are going to highlight this, you have either luminous green or dark green. But this green is light green. It's not luminous green. It's not dark green. Therefore, it's right. I'm going to fill a color using. I'll select that and then use fill color to fill the green. This is the green that I used. Okay. Let me. You have sent in the WhatsApp. I'll check. Different methods, right? Yeah, I've seen this. Right, correct. Good. Keeps the doctor away. Yes, my grand. Okay, correct. Green එක වෙනස් වෙන්න ඕන ලිතුමි. Green එක capital G එන්න ඕන. Capital G ගන්න පුළුවන්. You can select this and you can go to this one, change case, capitalize each word. Then it will be capitalized. So that is the only issue. Other things are okay. Right. Okay. Then, so let's see. Okay, with that, the particular part activity is over, and so I would like to give you some extra steps. So here you can see some selection methods are given. How to select a single word. එක වචනයක් select කරන්න. So one letter, එක වචන එක අකුරක් select කරන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රමය මොකක්ද? How to select one letter at a time? So let's take a paragraph. Okay, let's take a paragraph. I'm going to take a random paragraph. One paragraph with 4 lines. How can I select a letter? I can click and select like this. Mouse again පුළුවන් හරි. මෙන්න මේ වගේ select කරන්න. Keyboard again කොහොමද select කරන්නේ? How to select using keyboard? Anyone? Shamin, how to select using keyboard? Right, you can click. So since you are not answering, I'm going to tell the answer. You can click in front of the letter that you are going to select, then press the shift key, and then with the shift key, please use arrow keys. Right arrow, selecting right words, selecting from left to right. When you keep pressing the right arrow while holding the shift key, you can see it's selecting right side. If you click in the left side, you can click, you can just hold the shift key, press and hold the shift key, then left arrow to select. And if you want to select downwards, go here, shift and down arrow. You can select line by line. If you want to select upwards, go here, shift and up arrow, shift and up arrow. Shift down, shift up. Right. If you want to select, if you want to select line by line using mouse, you can move to the left side, and you can see the mouse pointer is rotating the other side. So here it's basically rotating the flipped. The mouse pointer is flipped to the other side. Just click it. Now you can select. Click on that, you can select. That is another way of doing. And also, if you want to select multiples, press and hold the control key, click, this line, and this line. You can select like this. Keep pressing the control button. And if you want to select word by word, click the control button, double click, double click, double click, double click, double click. While holding the control button, you can double click. If you want to bold, control B. Now it will bold place to place. That is done by using the control key and click. Control and click. And if you want to select downwards, shift key and end button. If you want to select upwards, shift key and home button. Shift home, shift end, shift home. If you want to select everything, control A, you'll select everything. Okay, so please write down heading selection methods. Please refer to page 16 in the workbook. In addition to those, you can double click in each word while pressing and holding the control key to select many words. Select many words. Control and flipped arrow left side to select multiple lines. Shift, home, end, and control keys can be used as combinations to do many other selections. So please write down this. Or while pressing the control shift key, you can click on this. Then keep pressing the shift key, you can click on here and it will select entire range. Shift එක ඔබාගෙන මෙතන click කරලා ඊට පස්සේ end එකක් select කරා නම් ඒ range එකම select කරනවා. Entire range is selected. Okay, finish. Right, when you go to the stratch.mit.edu, this is university, right? This is a leading university. And then start creating. So just click on start creating. Then it will start this interface. And anyway, coding is #1 skill in this decade, right? So earlier days it was English sometimes, and it was computing. Now it's not just English and computing. If you have coding, that is a plus point. So that will develop your brain like, so you can think smart way if you learn coding. So this will be interesting one. So if you can enjoy, then just close the green color window because that is not required, and you will have this interface in your screen. Please let me know if you have any trouble taking this screen. If it is not loading or if it is not showing this, just let me know. Right. I think you have loaded the screen, and let me actually introduce the screen for the newcomers, for the new people. Here you have all the controls, all the coordinates here, coordinate blocks. You can drag the coordinate blocks from here to the coordinate place, coordinate interface. You can just click and drag anything. And this is called sprite. Or a bonus sprite name, but this is sprite. Right? This is sprite. And this is how you can take new sprites. And this is how you can change the background of this. You can click and search the background and apply. You can click and search sprite and apply. And this is your stage. This is where